Hi guys, welcome to Piping Welding and DT channel. So this is a computation of travel, and we will compute the travel, we will find the travel, we will find the spool, and also we will find this spool also, but they have WN, or we have a weld neck flange. Okay, so first our given is, we have a given of elevation, we have two given of elevation, we have a given of diameter of pipe. So this is a 48 diameter of pipe. So our class, or our this is a weld neck flange. So this is a class of a weld neck flange. So 300. So we will use it the API 605, or pipeline valves. So the meaning of API 605, this is American Petroleum Institute. So this is pipeline. Okay, so they have dimension of this welding class, they have a dimension based on the class. Okay, so our class is 300. So before that, we will compute first this travel and spool. Okay, so we have elevation of 5,000, so this is 5,000, and we have also elevation of 8,500. Okay, so to find this travel, or to find this center to center of elbow, so our elbow is, we have two 45 degrees elbow. Okay, and we will use it also this, for the 45 degrees elbow, we will use it the 1.414. Okay, this is a constant degree of 45, 1.414. Okay, so before that, we will minus it the elevation 8,500 and 5,000. Okay, to find this travel, or center to center of elbow. Okay, so 8,500, using this calculator, minus 5,000. Okay, so we have a 3,500. Okay, so we have a 3,500. So where do we get this 3,500? We minus it this 8,500 and 5,000 elevation. Okay, now, so this is not a final answer for the travel. Okay, just now this is, we will use it the 1.414. Okay, 1.414. So see, this is a multiplication, and using this calculator we will multiply it the 1.414. So this is it. So this is our answer for the travel. So this is our answer for the travel, 4,949. Okay, so we have answer now of 4,949. Okay, so if we round up this one, this is already, this is already about 5,000. So we have now an answer for the travel. Now we will compute it this. Next is spool. Okay, this is our spool. So our spool is from here to here. Okay, so to find that, we will we must know the takeoff of 45 degrees elbow. Okay, we have a 15.84 millimeter, and we have a 5.8 for 45 degrees also, but this 5.8 is inches, and we have 15.84 millimeter. Okay, so we are using a millimeter. Okay, so we will use it the 15.8. This is a formula for the 45 degrees elbow. So remember that for the 45 degrees elbow to find takeoff. So 15.8. So our diameter is 48. Multiply it to 48. So this is our answer for the takeoff. 758.4, but this is only for one elbow only, for one elbow. Okay, so we have a two elbow, just multiply it to 2. So this is now the answer of our two elbow. So we have a 1516.8. So this is for two elbow, and this is for one elbow. The 758.4, this is for one elbow, and this is for two elbow. Okay, so the takeoff. So this is a takeoff. So this is a takeoff. Okay, TO takeoff. Now we are already find the takeoff. To find the spool, we will minus it this 4949. Okay, so 4949 minus it to take off 1516 minus it to 1516.8. So this is our answer for the our spool is 3400 3432.2. Okay, and in actual we have a gap of 3 mm to 4 mm based on the specification of the or the procedure of the project company project. Okay, this tolerance or the gap, they have a specification based of the project or the company. We will see this um, gap from the WPS or the welding procedure specification. Okay, but normally we have a 3 mm to 4 mm. This 4 mm is already maximum. Okay, so we will minus it that two gap. So we have a two gap here. So we have we will so our gap, we will compute it for the maximum gap. So we have a 4 mm here, and we have a 4 mm here. So we have a 8 mm. Just minus it, this 8 mm minus it to 3432. So that one is our final spool. Okay, so that's clear. And we have another question here, and we have a flange. So this is another computation. So we have center of elbow, we have, and from the flange. Okay, so our dimension here is 3000. Okay, we will compute, we will find this also. This is full. Okay, I already asking lately. So we have a dimension from this weld neck flange. So our weld neck flange is 48 diameter, and our class is, we have a class. So this, our class is 300. Okay, based on API, American Petroleum Institute 605, our class is 300, and the dimension of this weld neck class is So this is our dimension. This is 2 to 4. So this is our dimension for this weld neck plans based on API 605 class 300. So based on the excuse me, based on also from the class. Okay, so we will compute that. So we have already one elbow, so we have already compute that, and we have a takeoff of 758.4 for one valve, for one elbow, sorry. And so 758.4, so we will add this dimension of the weld neck plans. So 224 plus 224, so we have a final answer of 982.4. So remember that answer 982.4, we will minus it to 3000. Okay, so 3000 minus it to 982.4. So this is our spool. Our spool is 2017. Okay, 0.6. So this is a very easy way to compute this travel spool, and we have a fittings also. So that's all for now, guys, and I hope you have learned regarding this video, and thank you very much. And don't forget to subscribe in, and just comment my video. If you have a comment, just write it, and have a nice day, guys. See you my next video. Bye bye.